Hello, I'm Jaden, National Account Executive for Dwyer's Test Equipment Portfolio, and welcome to this video about how to use the Smart Air Hood Balancing Instrument. To start, we'll unlatch the clips and open up the case. First, take out the handheld from the foam insert, and then take the actual foam insert out and put it to the side. Then we can take out our Smart Air Hood and start getting it connected to the handheld. Next, turn on the handheld device by holding down the power button. The handheld has the Smart Air Hood application software preloaded, which wirelessly connects to the hood to provide you with all of your airflow readings. Once the handheld is on, select the Smart Air Hood application. You'll see the welcome screen from which you'll be able to connect your new Smart Air Hood. Press the power button on the bottom of your Smart Air Hood. Red and blue LEDs will turn on and alternate blinking at a slow, steady pace. This indicates that the hood is searching for a handheld to connect to. On the handheld, select Connect the Hood. The handheld will now search to find a Smart Air Hood. The name of the hood will come up with the series and serial number located on the sensor inside of the hood. Once the name pops up on the screen, select the device name and press Yes to connect the hood. After the handheld finds your Smart Air Hood, the red and blue lights will then start blinking at a faster pace as they connect to each other. Finally, the hood is connected and you're ready to take your airflow measurements. Right off the bat, the main screen can be used for effortless, easy balancing with an industry standard accuracy. The Smart Air Hood's hard case is rugged and durable, perfect for keeping your equipment safe when traveling to your next job site. To order the hood with a hard case, use the model number SAH-22HC, or to order the case separately, use model number A-SAH-HC. To learn more or order any Dwyer product, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.